Rebecca ice cream cart.
Ice cream.
On
Captain Jake.
Let's go.
Holly.
Hi everyone. Hello Holly. Morning.
Green frog. Amber.
Call my name and I'll find you.
Bear. Cow. Masha. Smurf. Danny dog.
Danny Dog. That was very loud.
Green crocodile. Sven. Daddy pig.
That really is high.
Minion. Emily elephant.
I'm not very sure. I might do that.
Tiger. Ben.
Redbeard, do islands normally...
Fire truck.
Zebra.
Kraken. Dusty.
Was awesome!
Doc McStuffins.
This will only tickle a little.
Blue sea lion. Gecko.
Yeah!
Rebecca.
Can Peppa and George come to our house tomorrow?
Candy cat.
No. This is the right way, Emily. No.
Gordon.
Not Spencer.
Mr. Incredible.
I'm trying to keep it away from the building.
Minimus.
Wait, are there conditions, Mom?
Adrian.
Guys, I'm Adrian. In everyday life, I'm just an...
Garbage truck. Poppy.
You can be a bit much.
Goat. Macaw.